Hi, my name is Lauren Rennie, and I'm based out of Canada. So from the NLP Practitioner course, I really enjoyed understanding the fifth season part, the season of transition. I really connected with that and the idea of that shifting and the change, going from one phase of your life into a new phase of your life, and that it's really good to recognize that shifting portion of the experience when you're going into a new phase of life. I've been using the locus of control quite a bit for myself and for my students. I find it really helps during this time, with adjusting to COVID, being able to recognize how to find self-empowerment again by looking at the things that you can control and letting go of difficulties in areas where you know that it's out of your control or it's uncertain, and but you can just let go and just focus on what you can do. I really appreciate Kane's style because he moves away from the academic style or the emphasis in academia and the type of learning that happens in academia, and he moves away from that and really focuses on the application in real life scenarios, and just kind of it is what it is kind of philosophy. And I really appreciate that because it makes it more relatable and accessible for all kinds of learners, and it takes away this idea that to get an education you have to go to a recognized university or college, and that we can all be learners regardless of how or where we're learning from. The dissociation technique, I've actually shared it already with a few people because I recognized how powerful it is, and I was really curious to see it in action. So I shared it with a few people and it worked tremendously. It was incredible. And they said the same thing. The experience of being able to go through that exercise brought them a whole new insight to their situation or how they viewed their past selves, and it really benefited them in the long run. Embrace the platform and the method of learning, and that you can really go about learning all of this on your own terms. You can choose how you want to watch the videos or how you want to apply the skills or the techniques presented in the videos, and so that you're not just learning at your own pace, but you're learning in your own style.